Alright, what's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We are in a house that's getting completely renovated. They replaced all the pipe except for the pipe from here going out, which is about 40 feet or so. So they wanted us to see if we could clean up the pipe a bit, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to be using the rigid K60 and the 7/8 cable. It's a 4-inch drain. We're going to be using a 3-inch cutter. Here goes. Going in very well. I was about to say I haven't hit any problems, but then that was the first little blockage we found. But that could be a change of direction. So that's 15 feet right there. Making our way out of the house now. This is 30 feet right here. We're going to put one more cable in, and that'll be 45 feet. That should put us basically on the road. Look like it's going to have a little bit of ponding on the pipe right here, possibly all the way out. I believe that's on the city side. Just finish off this cable, got another foot. So that's 45 feet. We got about 20 feet here inside and then 25 to the road. That sounds about right. So let's pull it back, see how it looks. You always want to be careful. You don't want to put too much cable in the main drain of the city because they will charge you to dig it up if you get your cable stuck. First cable, we're going to disconnect that. If you guys are liking this video, give it a thumbs up. I don't know if I said that already. I may have. That's the second cable. All right, one more cable. So, nothing came back on the cable, no roots, right? So we're assuming if there was any blockage at all, it would have been just grease or just the bad slope of the pipe. So, that's that. Well, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Camera's going to shut off. So until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.